Hello everyone, hope you all are fit and fine. I welcome you all to join online class. Have a nice day. Why do we need a shelter? Why do we need a shelter? A shelter can protect you from the sun, insects, wind, rain, snow, hot and cold, temperature and enemy observation. Once more, a shelter can protect you from the sun, insect, wind, rain, snow, hot, cold, temperature and enemy observation. It can give you a feeling of well-being. It can give you a feeling of well-being. It can help you maintain you will to survive. Animal shelter care for animals needing protection. Needing protection animals. 4 basic needs for survival are water, shelter, air, that oxygen, and food. Water, shelter, air and food. Food is the energy source for every living organism. Food is the energy source for every living organism. All animals need to eat regularly to fuel their bodies. All animals need to eat regularly to fuel their bodies. Each animal live where they can find the food they need to survive. Each animal live where they can find the food they need to survive. Dear students, take your text. Page number 125. Get set work. Get set work. Look there. Write the first letter of each animal. Write the first letter of each animal to get the names of some animals that help us. There are 2 pictures and 1 letter. Look there. There are 2 pictures and 1 letter. Then we find out the names of animals. Okay. First one, you can see duck. First one, you can see duck. First letter. Okay. And you can see the goat and the letter O. Here O. Here goat. The first letter of duck D. Middle O letter. Already gave them. Then here goat. Then we get a dog. The answer is first letter of duck is D and next letter O. The first letter of goat is G. Okay. So, complete the letter dog. Here you can see duck. Here another one O. Here goat. G-O-A-T. D-O-G. D-O-G. Okay. Second one. Second one. Crow and whale and the letter O. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow and O whale, W-H-A-L-E. First letter of crow, C. Here O. Then whale. Then we get cow. Okay. So the answer is cow. Next, third one, horse, elephant and letter N. Horse, elephant, then N. First letter of horse, H. Then elephant, first letter of elephant, E. Last, already they give us N. Then we get hen. Okay. The answer is hen. Next, hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, first letter of hippopotamus, H. Then owl. Next, letter already they give us R. Then sheep. Last one, already they give us horse. Okay. First one, dog. The answer is horse here. First one, dog. Second one, cow. Third one, hen. Fourth one, horse. Okay, got it? Okay. All living things need food to live and grow. All living things need food to live and grow. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Plant eating animals. Plant eating animals. Plant eating animals. Cow, horse, deer. Plant eating animals. Cow, horse, deer. Okay, next, flesh eating animals. Flesh, flesh eating animals. Lions, tigers, crocodiles. Lions, tigers, crocodiles. Flesh eating animals. Lions, tigers, crocodiles. Eat flesh of other animals. These lions, tigers, crocodiles eat others flesh of animals. Okay. Here look, first one, plant eating animals. Cow, horse, deer. Okay. Second one, flesh eating animals. Lions, tigers, crocodiles eat flesh of other animals. Okay. Eat flesh of other animals. Next, plant and flesh eating animals. Plant and flesh eating animal. Flesh eating animals. Plant and flesh eating animals. Bears and crow eat both plant and flesh of other animals. Bears and crow. Bears and crow. Bears and crow eating plant and flesh of other animals. Next one, scavengers. Next one, scavengers. Scavengers. Jackals, hyenas and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals. Jackals, hyenas and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay, jackals. Jackals, hyenas and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals. Okay. Next point. Animals need a home. Animals need a home. A home keeps the animal safe from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Once more. A home keep animals safe from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Different animals have different kinds of home. Different animals have different kinds of home. Some animals live in natural home. Some animals live in natural home. Example, fish live in, do you know? Yes, fish live in water. Lion and bear live in dens. Lion and bear live in dens. Then foxes live in caves. Foxes live in caves. Squirrels and monkeys live on trees. Once more, the foxes live in caves. Squirrels and monkeys live on trees. Animals live in homes made by people. Animals live in homes made by pupils. Cow live in, do you know, already you study about them. Cows live in sheds and hens live in coop. Horses live in stables. Dogs live in kennels. Fish are kept in aquarium. Do you know aquarium? Yes. Once more. Animals live in homes made by people. Cow lives in shed and hens live in coop. Horses live in stables. Dogs live in kennels. Fish are kept in aquarium. Different types of fishes are kept in aquarium. Animals make their home. Animals make their home. Most birds make nests to lay eggs. Most birds make nests to lay eggs and keep their baby birds safe. And keep their baby birds safe. Everyone is like birds. Everyone is like baby birds. Yes, that's very soft and nice. Bees make a hive to live in. Bees make a hive to live in. Rabbits make burrows in the ground. Rabbits make burrows in the ground. Okay, dear students, we want to do some work in our textbook. Okay, are you ready? Page number 128. A work. True or false? True or false? A work. Cow is a plant eating animal. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Anybody know that answer? Cow is a plant eating animal. Yes, the answer is true. Tiger is a scavenger. Tiger is a scavenger. Is it true or false? Yes. Say loud. Yes, true. Third one, a rabbit lives in den. A rabbit lives in den. Answer is false. Rabbit live in burrows. Here question is, a rabbit lives in den. That answer is false. Fourth, fishes live in caves. Fishes live in caves. That answer is yes, false. Five, most birds make nests. Most birds make nests. Yes, answer is true. Once more, cow is a plant eating animal. Cow is a plant eating animal. Answer is true. Second, tiger is a scavenger. Answer is true. Third, a rabbit lives in den. False. Fourth, fishes live in caves. Answer false. Fifth, most birds make nests. Answer true. Okay, this A work finish. Right? B work. Look there. There are some pictures, 6 pictures. There are some picture, 6 pictures. Write P for plant eating animal. Write P for plant eating animal. And F for flesh eating animal. P for plant eating animal. F for flesh eating animals. Okay. First, look there. Lion. Lion. F. Flesh eating animal. Okay. Number 2. Tiger. Tiger. Flesh eating animal. Number 3. Giraffe. Giraffe, plant eating animal. Plant. P. So P right. Crocodile. Crocodile, flesh eating animal. Five, goat. Plant eating animal. Last one, horse. Plant eating animal. First one, lion, flesh eating animal. Tiger, flesh eating animal. Giraffe, plant eating animal. Crocodile, flesh eating animal. Goat, plant eating animal. Horse, plant eating animal. Okay, clear? Yes, very good. Okay, right? Okay, right. Next, page number 129. Next work. C work. C work. Who am I? C work. Who am I? Who am I? Number one. I am tall. I eat leaves from trees. I am tall. I eat leaves from trees. Yes. Yes. Giraffe. Giraffe. Number two. I like to eat bananas. I live on trees. I like to eat bananas. I live on trees. Yes, answer monkey. I am a farm animal. I live in a shed. I am a farm animal. I live in a shed. Yes, answer is cow. I am a pet. I live in kennel. I am a pet. I live in kennel. Yes, answer is dog. Once more. Who am I? I am tall. I eat leaves from trees. Answer giraffe. I am a tall. I eat leaves from trees. Answer is giraffe. I like to eat bananas. I live on trees. I like to eat bananas. I live on trees. Answer is monkey. I am a farm animal. I live in a shed. I am a farm animal. I live in a shed. Answer is cow. I am a pet. I live in kennel. I am a pet. I live in kennel. Answer is dog. Okay, got it? Right? Next, D work. Answer these questions. Ready? Answer these questions. I write here only answers. You should write question that answer. Okay? Follow. First question. food and shelter for animals? Answer these questions. First question. Why do animals need food? Why do animals need food? First question. Okay, look. Why do animals need food? Answer. Animal need food to live. Animals need food to live. First answer. Animals need food to live. Animals need food to live. Next question. What do animals such as cow and deer eat? What do animals such as cow and deer eat? Answer. Cow and deer eat grass and leaves. Cow and deer eat cow and deer eat grass and leaves. Number 3. What do lions and tigers eat? What do lions and tigers eat? Answer. Kill other animals and eat their flesh. Kill other animals. Kill other animals and eat their flesh. Okay, kill other animals and eat their flesh. Fourth, name any two animals that live in natural home. Yes, listen this question. Name any two animals that live in natural home. Answer. Fishes and monkeys. Fishes and monkeys. Monkeys. Fishes and monkeys. Okay. This right? Okay. May I rub? Right. Fifth one. Where do domestic animals live? Where do domestic animals live? Domestic animals live in shelters made by us. Domestic animals live in shelters made by us. Domestic animals live in shelters made by us. First answer. Why do animals need food? First question. Answer. Animals need food to live. Second, What do animals such as cow and deer eat? Cow and deer eat grass and leaves. Third one, what do lions and tigers eat? Yes, kill other animals and eat their flesh. Fourth one, name any two animals that live in natural home. Fishes and monkeys. Fifth one, where do domestic animals live? Domestic animals live in shelters made by us. Okay, dear students, today's class is over. Thank you. Good luck.